Hello everybody, I am the Crafty creator and today I am sharing a process video for a completely die cut card. In this video I will share how I choose my colour palette and how a quick card print can be created using dies. If you enjoy my content, make sure to get clicky for Vicki. Like, subscribe and ring the bell. Your support means the world to me. For this card I used textured canvas cardstock in purple, teal, pink and yellow, a Flamingo Floatie die, pool party stamp set, a sunrise backdrop and a stitched wave border. Any other products used will be listed in the description box below. I begin by die cutting all of the pieces off screen and trimming parts down to a smaller size. This card is a little one, measuring in at 4 by 4 inches. I attach the sunrise backdrop to the light blue panel with liquid glue. And after that I take a teal piece, die cut with the stitched wave and realise this is too short for the card. So I die cut another piece, measure it and then glue the area I want to attach to my card. I add in the flamingo temporarily to make sure he fits on the card and then I continue to attach pieces with liquid glue. Once everything is glued, I flip the card over and trim off all the excess pieces with a sharp pair of scissors. I start putting the Flamingo Floatie together. I went out of my comfort zone a little with the colour of his beak, but I really wanted to stick to the colour palette. I decided to stick the flamingo underneath the wave to make him look like he is floating. On hindsight, I wish I had stuck the flamingo down before the wave, but we live and learn. Just a little stamping here. I wanted to use a two-part sentiment. On the outside I stamp floating by to say in VersaFine black onyx ink, and on the inside I stamp happy birthday. And in record time the card is complete. Such a simple card to create, but it still has lots of lovely texture thanks to that cardstock that I used. This card was inspired by episode 227 of Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. I have an 8" by 4" piece of card scored to create a 4" by 4" card. Mounting colours to be discussed in a moment, and a Flamingo Floatie floating on the water. The colour palette was an interesting one this week. At first I thought of grey mountains with snowy peaks. Then I did a little searching and came across the Vinicunca Mountains in Peru. They are also known as the Rainbow Mountains. They are an incredible sight and they worked perfectly with my card idea. With mention of craft roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it's all about, and I hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to Craft Roulette on YouTube. It is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching and please remember to get clicky for Vicki. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care and I'll be back soon.